Hello and welcome everyone to another one of walkthrough videos. Today we have a 2014 Honda Fit 1.3 liter model, non-hybrid. So therefore this is naturally aspirated. With Goodyear Tyres wrapped around aftermarket alloys, as you can see, in very good condition. Now, this car is imported from Japan. Not imported as the damaged vehicle. Odometer has been certified and has passed AA compliance. Body nice and straight. We'll look at the door card. Very clean interior. We do have a hard plastic material at the top, silver trim on the side, and cloth insert, and also hard plastic material for your arms to rest on. Black cloth interior with no stains or smells, which is good, and I can confirm there's no pet smell either. Coming to the back here, again nice and straight body. We also have the rain guard, so that's good for when you want to open up just a little bit of the window. The rear seats do fold down. This is a one-piece rear seat, which is a little bit different compared to 60/40 splits. And also Goodyear tyres at the back with aftermarket alloys. This car has just under 67,000 Ks, so very low for its age. Well looked after, no major scratches or dents. Now this does come with a extra roof rack that is free for the new owner in New Zealand. If you feel like you don't need this option, we can throw that away for you, not a problem. Or you can even just sell and trade me for some extra cash. And the roof is also in good conditions. Those stickers are for the roof racks. Also nice straight body from the side. Door cards nice and clean. Also the rear privacy windows also good. Plus now sitting inside the vehicle, I'm 5'8". As you can see, we do have plenty of leg room. More than enough for long trips. In the middle's transmission tunnel, only a slight hump, not a big deal. And sitting in the middle seat is fairly comfortable for short journeys. If you do want to take it for a road trip of 5-6 hours, I probably wouldn't recommend too much. Also, of course, we do have ISOFIX for your baby chairs. Again, this has been AA compliant, so all the safety and everything has been already checked over. It does come with two factory keys, one with a remote, one just normal key blade. All four windows are electric ones. Nice digital dash. Just put your foot on the brake and turn the key as normal. 66,800 Ks on the clock, and again that has been odometer certified. Nice easy looking dashboard there. Of course WAF and service already done and got a sticker. .8 liter per 100 Ks. Very good fuel economy, very similar to a hybrid vehicle. I would definitely recommend one of these cars to anyone. Coming around to here, we got the Gather singleton stereo with AUX function. Of course, not much. You can also read CD if you like, but we do have a power outlet just underneath the climate controls, and just over there we also have 2 cup holders. There's plenty of storage area. Coming with a CVT transmission. Nice, easy to use handbrake. We also got cubby storage, or cup holders if you like to call it. Plenty of space in the glove box as well. That's what Hondas are known for. They are cheap, reliable to run, and got plenty of space for storage. We also have the Eco mode. Eco mode will just decrease the sensitivity of the throttle when you put your foot on the pedal. Obviously that's just to save fuel. Come around to the engine bay. As we can see here, no major rust or anything like that. If there's any sort of major rust on the chassis, you cannot pass compliance. You'll need to have this fully fixed, sent to panel beaters, and have an NZTA agent looked after it before it can be passed and get the warrant of fitness. Also, this is coming with a 1.3 litre chain driven model, chain driven motor. Obviously Honda's very famous Autodream engine. Very reliable. And that's it for today's video. Thank you everyone for watching. We'll see you next time.